Welcome. Today we'll be looking at how to pin applications to the Start section of a computer that runs with the 11 operating system. But before I go into that, let me show you the section that is considered as the Start section of your computer. Click on the Start menu. These apps here are at the Start section. So if you feel like you have a lot of applications at the taskbar section, which is here, you can decide to pin some applications that you use frequently to the Start menu. Okay, so I will guide you on how you can do that. Okay, let's get started. To pin an application to the Start, click on the Windows logo key, which you can also call the Start logo. Okay, then here type the name of the application you want to pin to the Start. Let's say Excel. Okay, this will bring up the application. Alright, click on the application and select the option to pin to Start. Okay, so once you do that, the application will pin to the Start of a computer that runs with the 11 operating system. Okay, let's carry out a check to know if the application is there. Where is Excel? As you can see, this is a Excel application we just pinned to the Start section. Okay, alright, thank you for watching this video. If you like what you see, please subscribe to my channel and like the video. If you also want me to cover some other videos on Windows 11 operating system, please do well to leave that in the comment section. Thank you and see you next time.